Hi everyone, this is the video that I owe you for the piece that I left out of the revenue projection. And I had all kinds of time this weekend where I could have worked on it, but I had this fun weekend and I planted flowers and I did all these things and I forgot about this. So I'm sorry, but it's not so bad. What we've got here is a revenue projection. Like, let's say that you're using, whether you're using regression or top-down or the build-up method, you're going to start out with what you think is likely, okay? That this is whether industry has a certain rate on it, and or you've got some insight and some information about the company in town that you know more about, but this is the number that you came up with. Now, you might want to not, how you're never fully confident. You can't state with certainty that this will be the forecast. This is what's going to happen. I mean, a lot of things could happen. The virus could get worse and we could have a pessimistic view. We could say, no, I really don't think it's going to continue this way. I think it's going to be down 2% a year. Okay, rather than growing as it is, we think it's going to decrease by 2% a year. And the other thing to say is, well, I think it could actually increase by 2%, 2.5%, that the virus is going to stop and this industry is going to go okay. So, the real reality will be someplace inside of here, okay, in this range. So what we've got here for 2018 and 19 is history. So those numbers are exactly the same, right? All right, so those don't change. And you can see them here on the chart. These are actual numbers here. Everything's on top of each other up to this point, like in 2020 when they start to split off, okay? And so I've got my likely numbers here. Now, if it's pessimistic, I have 460 going down by 2%. All right, and then I think the following year is going to be 2% lower, and okay, so that's 2% less than this, and it's just going to decrease from there. Okay, I'm not going to take these numbers and continually add 2% to all those and do the same thing for the optimistic one. Okay, take these numbers and make it higher by 2.5% for all of these. Okay, it's going to be based like on the prior number. It'll go down so that this, when you look at your chart, this spread should be increasing, okay, for both of them. All right, and once you get this done, then you decide, well, that for whatever reason that you've decided to go with the likely scenario. Okay, and that's it. So for each method, so you're going to do 2 different methods, and I don't think anyone has enough data for regression, so you'll be using the top-down or the build-up method, and you'll show 3 different scenarios: a likely, pessimistic one, and an optimistic one. Okay, all right. Sorry about this. If you need more information or you want to run some numbers by me, don't hesitate. Okay.